Okay, so I'm doing an unboxing on the UTG 3-9x40. I think it's the Leapers UTG. Pretty sure that's what I ordered. It has zero lock, mil dot. It has red and green mil dot illumination. Front AO, air gun, or the scope mounts, lens caps, and the true strength seal of approval. It's strong. Okay, so here we have a little lens cleaner. Let's see what's in these. Oh, there's one scope mount. Two scope mount. And here is the scope. A little bigger than I thought. Okay, so got your scope caps. That's a pretty good seal. You have your quick adjust front AO. This is the elevation. This is the windage, and then this one is the illumination. And it has different brightnesses and the colors. So it's green on this side, red on that side. This is the ergonomic power ring. I think that's how it's pronounced. And then looks like there's supposed to be a dioptric adjustment ring somewhere under this, I think. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can look in there. Let's see if the illumination is on. Gotta put batteries in first. And they provide batteries. And some of these. Give you a little user manual, that's nice. Make sure you have things for it. And that's it.